Guys, we're going to check out Strobe Warfare by Rhino. I don't believe they make this anymore. It's a very unique rocket. You light it from the top, not from the bottom like a normal rocket. Small fountain comes out the top and then it launches off the launch pad. It leaves a nice trail as it flies up. I think they discontinue these because they tend to blow up, and not in the good way. They're not labeled, but if you look down here, there's 4 different colors on the sticks. It's hard to see. I think we got 4 different effects. Let's check them out. Oh, nice. What was that one? Looked like a little bit of red or something. Oh! That's what I was talking about. Alright, those do that, dude. That's why they discontinued them. I mentioned that when I... Yeah, they do that. They do that. They don't make them anymore. These are really old. They don't make them because they're kind of like faulty. One in 4 is about a dud, which is like crazy. That's like fucking.
We don't know.
Woo! Another one? Jesus Christ.